Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your VIVO X80 Pro. So we'll do this by connecting the charger to GoSun Smart Socket. The smart socket will transfer the performance to this phone and we'll be able to see it right here. So now let's plug in the charger. Connect it to the power source. Now we can connect it to the phone. And it should start charging. It did. Now let's move to electric tab. Right here we can see the statistics. Let's wait about 30 seconds. So something about 30 seconds just passed and we should see the statistics in a somewhat stable state right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.